This is my little sister's Ford Explorer Sport Track. God, it's still weird to say that. Anyway, I'm going to be changing out the map lights and the dome lights on this one, and even though it's a 2007 Ford Explorer Sport Track, it should be the same process for most 2002 to 2010s, I think. Anyways, if you have an overhead console and it looks like this should probably work for you. At first I thought all you needed to do was pull off the lens, like most other cars, but upon removing it I realized that I did not have access to the bulbs. So I did some looking around and it turns out you need to remove the whole overhead console, and it's actually pretty easy. First you remove one screw located in the rearmost compartment. Next you pop off the two clips that are holding it on in the front, then unplug the power connectors, and when you come to the actual lamp housing, there are 4 T10 Torx screws that you need to remove. Once the housing is off, just pry the old bulbs out and stick the new ones in. In my particular case, I'm going to be swapping them over to LED. They're going to be a set of 578 festoon bulbs from Yorkim. I'll have the links in the description below if you need help finding them. If you want to go with the original incandescent bulb, it's just a standard 578. You can get them from any auto parts store or online. I guess I'll have a link in the description below for those as well. Now all you have to do is reinstall everything and enjoy some nice bright LED light. I want to show a quick after shot of what the LEDs look like inside the truck. And you can see they're really bright and they come on really fast. And they do what LEDs do, light stuff up. Okay, that's about it. It is really quite bright. It does make the car feel a bit newer, actually. I guess that's the whole psychological aspect of the LED. Does light everything up very well. And fades out too. If you like this video, hit like. If you want to see some more videos like this, hit subscribe. And do whatever else you guys do on the internet. So have a good one.